Let's see how to cook spicy potato roast. It's one of the easiest recipes that I have made in my life ever. For this, you need potatoes, just diced potatoes, chopped potatoes, however you like. I use this chopper. I use the same chopper in my the garbanzo bean salad recipe, so you can check it out. In this recipe, your best friend is going to be oil and high heat. So let's heat a pan and we will add a generous amount of oil. Let it heat up. To this, I'm going to add some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds. You can totally skip this and add just mustard seeds if you like. Today I'm in the mood of adding all this. Reduce the flame and we'll add the diced, chopped, whatever you want to call potatoes. Sprinkle a uniform layer of salt on top. And I'll go another round. The reason I added a lot of oil is because we want it to roast really well. After 5 to 6 minutes, you see the golden brown color is showing now. To this, let's add some chili powder and turmeric powder. I'm sprinkling a little bit of chili powder. I just sprinkled some turmeric powder now. I'm adding some chili powder. I like it spicy, so I added quite a bit. You can cut down on it. If you don't have chili powder, you don't have any powder and you're not sure as to how much to add, you can sprinkle sambar powder, ready-made sambar powder from the store. So usually when I make these videos, I add store-bought powders. I say store-bought powder suggestions because not everybody makes their own spices at home. When I make for my family, I make my own spices, so I will use those powders. For the convenience of people who are watching, I say like, oh, let's use a store-bought garam masala or let's use this store-bought sambar powder. It's because not everybody has their own version of it. So I will again roast this in medium-high flame until it turns golden brown and crispy. It's crisping up really well. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.